Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on long division. Our model problem is 8,949 divided by 9. I am Mr. Camilleri, and this is the Mr. Camilleri Show. So we are going to start out by looking for the number within the number. We want to divide by the smallest number possible within the square. And the only rule is the number inside the square has to be bigger than the number outside the square. So we cannot start out with one digit by one digit division because 9 is bigger than 8. The number on the outside would be bigger. The number on the inside has to be either bigger than or at least equal to. If it's equal, it's okay, but the number on the outside can't be bigger, so we cannot start out with one digit by one digit. We can start out with two digit by one digit. So 89 divided by 9, we're going to figure out how many groups of 9 go into 89 to start. So I'm going to count by 9s here. 9, that is one group of 9. 18, two groups of 9. 27, three groups of 9. 36, four groups of 9. 45, five groups of 9. 54, six groups of 9. 63, seven groups of 9. 72, eight groups of 9. 81, nine groups of 9. Now, if I count by 9 again, I'll be at 90, and 90 is too far. 90 is too far. We'll have passed 89. But I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 9 within 89. Now, since 81 was the closest we could get to 89 without going over, without passing it, 81 is what we subtract. We always subtract the very last number that we skip counted without passing the number. So we're going to do 89 minus 81. To find our remainder. So 89 minus 91 equals 8. Next, we're going to bring the next number down, and that 8 is going to become 84. So we have to figure out how many groups of 9 go into 84. I know how many groups of 9 go into 84, but for those that don't, I am going to count it out. I am going to skip count by 9s again. 9, 18, 27, 36. So far we are at 4 groups of 9. 45, 5 groups. 54, 6 groups of 9. 63, 7 groups of 9. 72, 8 groups of 9. 81, 9 groups of 9. If I count by 9 again, I'll be at 90, which is too far, but we've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again, 9 groups of 9 go into 84. Now 81 was the closest we could get to 84 without going over, so 81 is what we subtract. Let me get all the numbers that I skip counted out of here. (84 minus 81 equals 3). Now we're going to bring down the 9, and that 3 becomes 39. I got to figure out how many groups of 9 go into 39. 9, that's one group. 18, two groups of 9. 27, three groups of 9. 36, four groups of 9. Now, if I count by 9 again, I'll be at 45, which is too far because we will have passed 39. But I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 9 within 39. Now 36 was the closest I could get to 39 without going over. So that is what I am going to subtract. 39 minus 36. And we have a remainder of 3. So our answer is going to be a mixed number. Now when it does not equal out to a whole number, the number we're dividing by becomes our denominator. And our remainder is what becomes our numerator. So our answer, 8,949 divided by 9 equals 994 and 3/9. If we want to reduce the fraction to lowest terms, 3/9 reduced to lowest terms would be 1/3, 994 and 1/3. Either answer is acceptable. That is our final answer. All right, I'm going to do one more division problem. One more division problem, and then we are going to call it a video. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right. 8,575 divided by 5. Have a strong feeling this one will not have a remainder. Again, we want to divide by the smallest number possible. And the only rule is the number inside the square has got to be equal to or bigger than the number outside the square. So for this one, we can start out with one digit by one digit division. 8 divided by 5. We got to figure out how many groups of 5 go into 8. So counting by 5s, 5, that's one group of 5. 10, we're already too far. We've already passed 8. But I was able to get one full group of 5 within 8. So we're going to do 8 minus 5. Since 5 was as close as we could get without going over. 8 minus 5 equals 3. We have a remainder of 3. We're going to bring down the 5, and that 3 is going to become 35. So now we're going to see how many groups of 5 go into 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 5 within 35. And 35 was the last number that we skip counted, so that's what we subtract. 35 minus 35 equals 0. Now we're bringing down the 7, so I got to figure out how many groups of 7 go into 5. That's what's next. So 5, that's one group. If I go to 10, I'll be too far, so we're able to get one group of 5 within 7. And now we have to subtract 7 minus 5. Again, huge thank you to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. Seven minus 5 equals 2. We have a remainder of 2. We are bringing down a 5. Now, how many times does 5 go into 25? Let's count. 5, that's one group. 10, 2 groups of 5. 15, 3 groups of 5. 20, 4 groups of 5. 25, we are at 5 groups of 5. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 5 within 25. So 5 goes into 25 5 times, and we have our final answer. Now I'm going to subtract, see if there's any remainders. 25 minus 25 equals 0. And there you have it. 8,575 divided by 5 equals 1,715. That is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, Put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.